Hey there, and good evening, band members. Mr. Rogers here with the Bobcat Band at Sonora Elementary. Hey, today's upload is a little bit later. We had to bring the pets to the vet, and that took some time. It was a long line. So here I am with you. Gonna play some music. Let's sight read. This is out of your Essential Elements book, 2000, on number 104. This is Essential Creativity. Now, we've gone over phrasing quite a bit in this page, and this is a really cool opportunity to experiment with that phrasing. So, if you look at the beginning, you'll see that there's no time signature at all. Yeah? Kind of freaky stuff. It tells you in the description above to draw in either 3/4 time or 4/4 time, and to draw the bar lines in their appropriate spots according to the time signature. So we're going to do the 3/4 time first, and in this case you're going to draw the bar line after every 3 beats, right? So 3/4 at the beginning, you can lightly draw it in because you're going to erase it soon and you're going to redraw everything in 4/4. So you have 1, 2, 3, and after those 2/8 notes, draw a bar line. After the next 3/4 notes, draw a bar line. Now that first half note, that gets 2 beats. The next quarter note is 1 beat, that's 3 beats. After that quarter note, draw a bar line. Then after the rest, you draw another bar line. Then after the 3 sets of 8th notes, D, da, 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 then, bam, another bar line. After the quarter note and the half note, right, 1 plus 2 is 3, another bar line. Then, between the quarter note and the dotted half note, that slur, right underneath the slur, draw a bar line. Okay, now look at your key signature. You have something that's a little bit different. For altos, you're going to be playing that C sharp, right? So completely open every time you find a C. Then, for flutes, low brass, bells, so percussionists, you're going to have an E natural because there's no E flat in your key signature now. There's only B flat. So keep in mind that E natural. Okay, then F sharp for any of those clarinets, trumpets, and tenor saxophone players. Now is your time to sight read through the song in 3/4 time. Go ahead and pause the video and do that on your own right now. Pause the video. All right, it has a particular feel. Let's play it together in 3/4 time. Let's see. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Then we'll play, okay? The breeze is picking up a little bit again. It was a rainy day. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready. All right. So for that last 2 measures, be sure you land on that concert F on beat 1. I held on to one note a little bit too long. But that's part of sight reading, right? We still continue on. So that has a particular feeling. You know where beat 1 is. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. See, even in my singing, I still held on to that E natural a little bit too long. So now you're going to switch it up. Erase the 3/4 time right now. Write 4/4 instead. You're going to erase all of your bar lines right now. Erase all of them. Pause the video right now because I'm about to move on. Erase all your bar lines while you pause. Okay, now that you've erased all your bar lines, go ahead and after every 4 beats, draw a bar line. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Rest. Right? So after every 4 beats, draw a bar line. Pause the video right now and do that. Okay, now that you've drawn in all those bar lines, let's play it. Actually, go ahead and sight read on your own. And now's the time for you to pause the video again. You're going to play this in 4/4 time. Go ahead and pause the video right now. Okay, did you play through again on your own? It has a different feel, right? Because of where beat 1 lands. So it changes the phrasing. Let's play it together. Ugh, if my book doesn't blow off my music stand. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, actually, so, right, this is in 4. So I'm going to count only 4 beats, then we play together. 1, 2, ready. Yeah, so that, we call that sort of a suspension when we stay on to one note before it resolves to, in this case, concert F, because we're in the key of F. All right, so that's why I have that tendency there. All right, has a whole different feel because of where beat 1 lands, right? That determines where our breathing is going to happen and what notes we're going to land on a little bit harder, okay? Beat 1 is a strong beat. So every beat 1 should be a little bit more forward, right? It gives more momentum to the song and to any pieces that you play. Okay, now this is going to be going on to number 105. It's called Naturally, all right? Naturally, what do you think it's about? Let's talk about it in the next video. I'll see you in a sec.